Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Felicia Omotayo and I share Figma and UI tips. So to support this channel, kindly subscribe, and if you've already done that, kindly share my content with your friends and your loved ones who need to see them, okay? So today I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to mockup plugins in Figma. The first one is Artboard Mockup, while the other one is Mockup plugin. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to the resources area, click on plugin and search for Artboard Mockup. So this is the mockup here at the top, the first mockup at the top here. So run it and wait for it to load. So now it has loaded. You can see numerous devices on this plugin. You can select the one that works perfectly well for you or the one that suits your design. I'll be going with this frame, this particular one. Now, every mockup comes with a frame. It is this frame that will help you project your design in the phone mockup, okay? So now what you're going to do is to move your design that you already have on the side, move it inside that frame and let it fit perfectly well. Adjust it till it fits the frame perfectly. So after fixing your design perfectly in the frame, you can now go back to the plugin, click on the blue button and wait for it to finish loading. So this is the result, guys. Now that we're done with it, we're going to be moving it inside our main frame. It is at the top, so I'll be dragging it here. As you can see, the mockup is too large for the main frame, so what we're going to do is to click on K, letter K on your keyboard, and scale down the mockup. Scale it down to fit your frame. After scaling it down, you can then proceed to move it inside your main frame. So this is it. Align it horizontally and vertically. Let it sit pretty in your frame. Alright, so that is that about Art Mockup. Now let's proceed to the next mockup, which is Mockup plugin. Just like we did earlier, head over to the resources area again, click on plugin and search for Mockup plugin. So this is the plugin at the top over here. Click on it, run it and wait for it to load. Now that the plugin has finished loading, now you want to click on the search icon. Click on the search icon. So after clicking on the search icon, you see a check button underneath style. So click on that button. You see a check button that says free only underneath style. So click on that button. So when you click on the button, all the mockups that will be brought to you with free mockups that you can use. Okay, so now browse through the plugin and select the mockup that works perfectly well or that suits your design. I'd like to use this one. I like it, so click on it. After clicking on it, you see this plus icon here in the center. Before you click on that plus icon, first of all select your main design, your own main frame. So after selecting your main frame, go back and click on the plus icon. Then after doing that, you see that your main design will reflect in that mockup. Okay, so after doing that, click on paste. So this is it, guys. The mockup is larger than our frame, so we'll do what we did earlier. Click on letter K on your keyboard, then scale it down and move it inside your main frame. So this is the result, guys. This is the main reason why I use this plugin. They are very easy to use, they are stress-free, you don't even have to do much. Just have your design ready, run the plugin, select the mockup you want and get the result you want. So guys, let me know if you're going to be using this plugin in your next project. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. Thank you for always coming back to engage and watch my videos. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.